Hello, good morning students. So today let us go through the construction procedure of the hyperbola by general method, that is eccentricity method, or we can call it as the focus directrix method. So let us start the construction procedure of the hyperbola. Okay, so now the first one is, all of you know, first draw a vertical line AB as directrix. The second, put a point C on the directrix line, draw the axis line which is perpendicular to the directrix line. Third point, mark the focus on the axis line such that CF distance is equal to 50 mm. Divide the CF line into 5 equal parts, that is VF by VC is 3 by 2. So for eccentricity of hyperbola will be 3 by 2, where VF is greater than VC. So that is 3 by 2. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that is why we have divided the CF line into 5 equal parts. And next, coming to the point, mark the vertex point at point 2 from the directrix. Okay. And next, from the vertex point V, draw a perpendicular line and draw the arcs with the radius of VF center as V from the point F to the vertical line. Name it as B and join CB and extend it. So whenever we go to the animated video, then you will be noticed what is the steps that is proceeded. Okay. The next 7th point is, from the vertex point, divide the axis line into any number of equal parts. Say for hyperbola it is 4 to 5 is enough. Okay. Then next, coming to the 8th point is, draw the perpendicular lines through the point 1, 2, 3, 4 equally to the line CB and mark it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. And F has a center, 1 dash has a radius. Draw two arcs on both sides of the axis line. These intersect at point P1 and P1 dash. Okay. Next, repeat the steps for 2 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash and 4 4 dash. And mark the intersecting points as P1, P2, P3 and P4 like that at the below the axis P1 dash, P2 dash or P3 dash and P4 dash. Next, draw the smooth curve through the points P1, P2, P4 and P1 dash is get the required hyperbola. So now let us see what is the construction procedure of the hyperbola. Now this is a vertical line we have drawn. This is vertical line drawn. Okay, AB, and next one, put a point C here and draw an axis line. Okay. Then next, coming to the point, put a point F. That is, what is F? So F is a focus point which is at a distance of 50 mm from the point C. So draw a dimensional line, take 50 and draw a vertical line here and divide this CF line into 5 equal parts with the line division method, so that you will get 5 equal divisions. So now we have to locate the vertex point. Where will be the vertex point? So as eccentricity is given as 3 by 2, VF distance is 3 and VC distance is 2. So where should be V? So the 3 parts of positions should be VF. So that is nothing but this is the first part, this is the second part and this is the third part. So we should be located at this particular part. So this is 3 parts and this is 2 parts. So locate the point V here and draw a line, perpendicular line to it. And now take the radius as VF. Take the radius as VF and draw a arc. Okay, name it as B. Okay, now join this CB line. Okay, then afterwards name these points as 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take 4 points. Okay, now first point, second, third, and fourth. After locating the equidistances from the vertex point on the axis, draw the perpendicular lines to the axis or parallel lines to VB from equal points 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After drawing these lines, locate these points as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Okay. Right, after that, so now, so here it is 4 dash. Then next, coming to the point, take 1 dash as radius, 1 dash as radius, F as a center, you make an arc. Okay, make an arc here. Okay, and below this one also make another arc. Next, 2 dash as a center, 2 dash as a radius, F as a center, you make an arc here and below this axis line. 3 dash as a distance as radius, mark an arc here and below. 4 dash as a distance, make an arc and this one. Okay, now we got 4 arcs above the axis and 4 arcs below the axis. Now name these arcs as P1, P2, P3, P4 and below arcs as P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash and P4 dash. After getting all these points, draw a smooth curve passing through the vertex P1, P2, P3, P4 and below the axis VE, P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash and P4 dash. So now look at this point that this is the curve. Okay, hyperbolic curve above the axis and this is the hyperbolic curve below the axis. Now the hyperbola is formed by the general method. Now let us see how to create a tangent and normal for this one. So now locate any point here, locate any point on the curve. After that name it as M and just draw a line from this point to the focus. From this point to the focus. After this, draw a perpendicular line to the point M and F line, right? Draw a M and perpendicular line like this, okay? And name it as T, okay? From this T point on the directrix to the taken point M, just draw a line passing through the point M. Is nothing but a tangent. Okay, it is the tangent. So now see here, it is a tangent. Okay, name this one as tangent. Okay, and where should be the normal? The normal should pass through this point M and it should be perpendicular to the tangent, that is normal. So name this as normal. You can also write as T dash and N dash. So now this is the construction procedure of the hyperbola by eccentricity method. Right. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. This is YouTube channel www.youtube.com channel UC84TO2 RLKX like this. If you like it, please share it to your friends so that they will be benefited and you can repeat the videos number of times to clarify your doubts. Thank you all.